Let's talk about DeLonghi ECAM 23.420 SB. Pressure: 15 bar. Coffee bean container capacity, 150 grams. Coffee makers features Auto-Cappuccino system, adjustable grinding degree, removable water tank, removable drip tray, auto shut-off, aroma selector, adjustable steam emission, Thermoblock system, cup storage, brew strength selector, water filter, adjustable brew head, integrated cleaning program, energy save mode E.S.M, adjustable water quantity, adjustable water hardness, adjustable brewing temperature, waste container full indicator. Integrated coffee grinder. Yes. Coffee type compatibility: ground coffee, coffee beans. Fab machine. Well worth the money, easy to use and makes a great coffee. We have had this coffee machine for several years, and during this period it has seen extensive use without issue. We live in a hard water area, so use filtered water to reduce scaling. That said, we descale the machine as required with DeLonghi descaler, and thoroughly clean it at the same time. Purely as a precaution, we recently had it serviced by DeLonghi, and were very pleased with their overall provision. Replace this with a 9-year-old Gaja bean to cup machine. Nice compact machine, great coffee, built-in filter but refills expensive, about 8 every 2 months. Overall very pleased, as good as the Gaja.